If you put a cigarette butt in 50 liters of clean water, so that one small cigarette butt can pollute that entire 50 liters pure water. That's the kind of impact of a one cigarette butt. Now there are lakhs of cigarette butts falling on streets every single day. So this is a bottle which I usually carry with me when I'm going for plogging, and I collect all the cigarette butts which I find on the streets. Now this is the amount of cigarette butts a single individual is collecting every day when he goes for plogging. Imagine almost 100 people are plogging across the city, and the number of cigarette butts that are everywhere in the city. Over the last year, we have crossed 1 lakh cigarette butt collection. We have so many bottles collected, and we don't know how to dispose these cigarette butts. So it's a very simple act. You have to just go to a spot, a lot of cigarette butts. You take a chalk and you draw circles around those cigarette butts. And these circles are drawn with different chalks of different colors. They look bright, and then when someone is passing by on that footpath, they'll eventually look at those cigarette butts and they'll understand, yes, these all cigarette butts which were thrown have been spotted and marked with circles. Now to shame people who have littered them, we write some slogans. So that's chalk of shame. There are a lot of slogans we write. One of them is smoking can be cool, but you're a fool. This is one of the slogans we write because people smoke with a lot of swag. They have their own way of doing it, but then after smoking, they litter at that place. There's a slogan in Marathi which says "Yete butt taknara gadav ahe," so which means the person who has littered here is a donkey. This is one of the slogans. There's one slogan which says that this planet is not your ashtray. We also don't want to comment on personal choices of people because smoking may be a part of their lifestyle, their personal choice, but littering isn't. So that's the reason we have a good slogan which says smoking may be a personal choice, but littering isn't. So this is another slogan. Dustbin kitni dur thi? This is another slogan. So how far is the dustbin? Because you just throw it somewhere near the dustbin. You just don't go and take the effort to properly dispose it in the dustbin. ये गंदा मत करो रास्ते पे, ये क्या लिख रखा है? People say this कि ये chalk powder से भी pollution होता है, so we should spot this also because you're drawing something using chalks. So this is kind of a weird response we have got. One of the funny experiences which we have is a few of the people who used to smoke at that spot, they thought that we'll be charging fines for those cigarette butts which are there. They directly came to this spot, they started running from that spot away, and they threw their cigarette butts in the dustbin, literally. Maharashtra Pollution Control Board has done an analysis of the cigarette butts, which says that these are not an harm to the environment. I was really shocked to read this report, and if you will Google it, it clearly says that cigarette butts are not toxic for environment. Now, I was really shocked because the United Nations itself says that these are pollutants. There are microplastics, plastic filters used in them, and they are a problem to the nature anyways. I don't know how did they come up with such kind of analysis and conclusion, but it's open in public domain. And if we right now go and start complaining about the disposal of cigarette butts, they'll show us this report. See, report says this, and this is not a problem. So stop complaining. We have seen people dying in floods, so we really care about everything now. We can't just keep observing and discussing things at home. People have to work, and I am really happy to share this thing. Like, I have few members who are from 8th and 9th class. They travel almost 10 kilometers every day on weekends, and they join our campaigns there on cycles. So that's the kind of awareness that is created across kids in schools. They really understand the issue better than us, because itna social awareness to हमें भी नहीं था जब हम schools में थे. In the noise of national, anti-national, and all these things, liberals and anti-liberals, everything, there's a new channel of youngsters coming up who actually think about relevant issues instead of talking about religion, talking about other caste-based things. We have other important things to discuss, and we want to grab attention of people. See, even if we are able to bring up one news headline which talks about environment, we were able to distract the minds of people from those unwanted issues. For a moment of time, they'll read this because this is something new and different. And that's what's really happening now. So yes, we have a bright future ahead, I can say.